Alright, today we have the Snapmaker here. It's a 3D printer that is all metal. That was from Kickstarter here. So let's have a look. Now I've just kind of attacked the shipping label here. So I don't know why I bother because I use my name as my gamer tag, but anyways. Ooh. Well, looks like maybe Customs had a look at this here. It's a tight fit. Okay. Don't know if you can see that all. 3-in-1. Very nice. It's heavy. Oh, I guess we should look at the back here too. This is my first unboxing, as you can tell. Alright. Looking forward to it. Welcome to the Snapmaker family. I got some stickers. Assuming these are instructions of all languages. Some stickers there. You're the designer, you know what to do. Talk is cheap. Show me the code. I like that. Grace Hopper said a ship in port is safe, but that's not what ships are built for. So that's a guide to CNC carving. Oh, it's even colored. What is this? What is this? Laser engraving. Which, if memory serves, I've got the CNC carving, not the laser attachment. And this is the quick startup guide, which I will of course be using quite heavily in just a bit. Main parts. Dear Kickstart backers, maybe I'll just read this out here. It has been more than half a year since the Kickstarter campaign launched. Thank you is all that we wanted to say to you. Thank you for making the decision in the first place. Thank you for waiting patiently. Thank you for supporting us along the way. Your encouragement is the energy that pushes us forward and reach higher standards. My apologies if this is too white. I'm just having a look here. Hopefully it's not too bad. Now that you've received your Snapmaker, you are part of the family now. Have fun assembling and making. Don't forget to share your works with us at forum.snapmaker.com. Alright, so we've got two CNC bits here. Looking at it. Still hot after switches off. As well as some other ends there too by the looks of it. Guess maybe I can hold it up. Probably you guys want to see it too. Alright. First piece gone. Foam. Oh, what to do first? Let's have a look here. Loading the filament. That's pretty simple. Little fan, little here. It's heavy. It's nice. Adapter. Okay, so that's a nozzle. So my apologies there. Those were the extra nozzles. I clearly don't know what I'm doing. This is my first 3D printer here, so. Alright, now this will be the bit for the routing here. Well, I like that. It's nice, simple, it's heavy. Okay. Here's one of the axes. Not going to push it too much there. It's pretty firm. It does move a bit, but I don't want to cause any damage to it. Generally speaking, don't mess with the servos and motors. It's much of the same. So I've got my X, Y, and Z axes here. Just gonna put these to the side here. This will be some sort of bracket or mount. All the different ports. USB, this is going to be the little hub. The brain of your Snapmaker. Yeah, we've got some USB ports, screen, power. Oh yeah, that's right, you can put it right into the... If you've got designs, you can put it right from the USB drive. What are we dealing with here? Another head, some knobs, some parts, some more replacement parts. I had ordered the extra heads and everything like that just in case, because I didn't want to have to search around for those. That would work. Okay, so these are all the screws, everything like that. Oh, did they give me a screwdriver? I've got Allen keys here. Oh, I have a little scraper. Some tweezers. And they gave me a little screwdriver. How cute. It's green. I like it. Alright, so we're going to take this out. Put that somewhere safe. Alright. Oh, even a USB drive. Why am I opening up the USB drive? I don't know. That's nice. I know it's the standard one. It's pretty standard, but it's the standard one pretty standard. Alright. Let's leave the screen to last here. Oh, and even safety glasses? What is this? But anyways, power adapter. Well, that's pretty hefty. That's not... as someone who's worked with dealing with laptop repairs and power adapters, that feels a little cheap. Compared to everything else, that's all metal. This one feels like it's just a tad cheaper than all the rest. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's heavily, feels like it's heavily insulated. Except this end here, but sure, it's fine. It just feels a little cheaper. Feels like one of those, if you've ever had bought a cheap power adapter for your laptop, that's exactly what it feels like. We've got some connectors here for cables. Oh my word, look at that. That's a, I don't know if that, you can see through that all that well. Let's just open this up here. That's okay. I've never seen something so thick. PG, keep it PG. Keep it PG. Okay. I imagine it's just much of the same. More of those. And just a standard USB cable for the screen by the looks of it. Filaments. Now I ordered extra, so I'm assuming that's either coming in a separate shipment or this is them. I don't know. Maybe I didn't order filament. I don't remember. It's been so long. Alright, so just a standard white filament. Half a kilogram of 1.75 millimeter. I don't... does the plastic get stale or whatever to get the silica gel inside there? Because that looks like it's a separate compartment all itself, but I like that it's been vacuum sealed too. Let's just take that away. This is the plate, the tray that holds your printed object. Oh, and there's more underneath it. Oh yes, because I did order a second one. There we go. So I got 2 trays. That's nice. Imagine this will be the mount for the screen. We got 2 little magnets on there. Yeah. Probably shouldn't keep putting a magnet to the screen just in case, but it's LCD, it shouldn't be a problem. So that wire is hardwired in there, so if that cable gets damaged, I'm gonna have to deal with the cable itself, but otherwise that looks okay. And the safety glasses. Oh, is that green? Oh, there's 2 of them. I've got some sweet green ones. For my big head. And some plain colored ones. I feel like these would be for the UV, the laser engraving. They're not the expensive nice ones. They just feel like the $2 to $4 safety glasses, but those are fine. I think that's about it. Oh, just keeps getting better and better. So this will be one of the trays there. This is the underside. Right on, and I suppose we'd put this part of the mounting system there. And that's about it. So in this unboxing here too, I think I'm going to build the system. So with this build here, starting off, my first kind of difficulty I had was the feet. So the feet were generally easy, except this last one here on the top right. The top right one, the screw wouldn't go in far enough for me to get down. So after a bit of trouble, trial and error, and some elbow grease there, what ended up using that giant knife there to just shave a small amount of the rubber off of the foot, so that way I could get the screw down into the pre-drilled hole. Now with this here, the actual bracket itself for the heated plate there, it wasn't too difficult to get onto. It was the mount there makes it a little difficult. You'll notice here, I didn't like this because I had to set the heated mount that I just attached to kind of take the brunt of the weight of the platform, so I could get the bracket on there. And the next step there would be the tower there. It's awkward. You have to hold the entire thing there. It would be helpful if I had a second set of hands, but you make do with what you got there. The screen, that was fairly easy to put on there. This mount there, it was tricky. I had to put in some screws ahead of time there so I could easily mount it. But the entire process, they're heavy, but you don't want to put any too much torque on, because I always feel concerned about metal bending or anything like that, because once that's done, it can be pretty much game over sometimes. But I found everything was sturdy. Nothing had any problems or anything like that. It was just a fear of mine, I guess, unfounded. The hub there was very easy to install. Then this is the actual plastic holder there to hold the filament. Everything was pretty easy after that once you got the big pieces on. The wires were all generally easy to put on, not too much difficulty there. I don't like how the look of some of the wires are, but example for the one that's right now you can kind of see as an S, backwards S there. I don't like the look of that, but everything seemed to go in pretty well. So that was the Snapmaker. It was very easy to install. I plan on printing something here shortly. I'm not too sure what to print here. I'm gonna do some investigating here. I won't have time to do it tonight, but I thought I'd get this video up for the unboxing and build here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you around the channel here. Thanks.